50 years ago, lawyers were the only place to turn for divorce assistance. Lawyers would take their clients into court and argue in front of a judge. It's amazing how many people still follow this antiquated process today. When faced with a divorce, their first instinct is to pick up the phone and call an attorney, and then begin court proceedings. In this modern era, using a lawyer to conduct your divorce is as antiquated as paying a travel agent to book your next flight or make a hotel reservation. In the future, virtually nobody will use lawyers and argue in court. Well, the future of divorce is here now. Your divorce doesn't have to be a complex legal battle. Your divorce doesn't have to cost thousands of dollars, and your divorce doesn't have to take months to resolve. You don't have to pay an attorney for divorce information and advice. Hi, I'm Matt O'Connell. I've been guiding people like you through the divorce process for more than 12 years. Legally, getting a divorce is no more complicated than buying a house. Both require legal forms to be signed and filed with a county. Both require two parties to negotiate and arrive at a fair deal. Yet when buying a house, nobody kicks off the negotiation process with a lawyer and a lawsuit. Why do this with your divorce? Most divorce lawyers make getting a divorce unnecessarily complex. You are not required to hire a lawyer. In fact, in most cases, you'll be much better off without one. I can tell you everything you need to know in one phone call and quickly guide you through the entire divorce process. My approach is very different. Unlike traditional divorce attorneys, I do everything I can to keep my clients out of court and keep the costs under a few $100s. I get quick results because I focus on what matters. I've been doing this for more than 12 years, and I haven't seen a divorce yet that couldn't be settled in about a week. I don't just provide you with information, I'll work with you to get the divorce resolved. I'm available for my clients nights and weekends. I work when it's convenient for you. I'm going to listen to the specifics of your case and then create a plan just for you. I'll work with you to resolve your issues regarding alimony, retirement accounts, division of assets, child support, and child custody. In most cases, I can have a written divorce settlement on the table in just a few days. I'll do everything possible to help you reach a quick settlement out of court. If you're in a highly contested divorce, you need my services more than ever. Otherwise, you could end up in court for many months. My common sense approach will help you cut through the BS no matter how unreasonable your spouse is. Now, if you still choose to hire a local attorney, I can help there too. After speaking with me, you'll have the knowledge and confidence necessary to manage your attorney effectively. The knowledge you gain from me will save you thousands in legal fees because you'll be the one driving the agenda. You won't have to waste hours asking your attorney basic questions about the process. There will be no uncertainty because you'll know just what to expect and you'll understand everything that's happening. Letting an attorney set the agenda often leads to frustration and high costs. If you're using an attorney now, you probably know this already. The sooner you sign up to work with me, the sooner you'll have your divorce settled. My goal is to answer all your questions and eliminate the uncertainty in our very first session. By the end of our first phone call, you'll have all the answers and a clear plan of action. After that, we proceed at your pace. There's no need to plunk down a large retainer fee and pay some lawyer $400 an hour. Court should be an absolute last resort, not a starting point. I can help you get your divorce settled quickly for just a few $100s. Click the button below to sign up and schedule our first session. Let me show you a smarter way to divorce. I look forward to working with you soon.
Working with Matt was great because he really took the mystery out of the divorce process. After our first conversation, I felt relieved because I knew just what to expect and I had a plan to follow. And Matt helped me take all the emotion out of my divorce. He created a specific plan just for me. He helped me settle my divorce in just a few weeks for only a few $100s, while my wife wasted $7,000 on her attorney. But thanks to Matt, I got a great result without ever going to court or hiring a lawyer. If you're facing a divorce, I highly recommend speaking with Matt O'Connell. It's a conversation you'll be glad you had.